In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check and where to click so Copilot can appear and work properly in your Word desktop app. Let's start from the very beginning, inside Word itself. First, open the Microsoft Word desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're not using the web version in a browser for this walkthrough because the steps we'll cover are specifically for the desktop app. Give Word a moment to load, and once it's open, you should see either a blank document, a recent file, or the start screen where you can choose a template or recent document. Any of those is fine. Once Word is open, we need to go into the account settings to make sure your license and update channel support Copilot. To do that, look at the top left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. This takes you away from your document and into the Backstage view where you see options like Info, New, Open, Save, and so on. On the left side, look for the option labeled Account and click on that. You're now in the Account section, which is where Word shows information about your product, your subscription, and update settings. Here you should see details about the Microsoft 365 subscription or license that's currently active on this device. To ensure Copilot can be enabled, your license needs to be up to date and properly applied to your account. In this account view, look for a button that says Update License. Go ahead and click that. When you do, Word may prompt you to sign in again with your work or school account or the account associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription. If that happens, sign in using your organization approved or subscription approved credentials. This step helps Word verify that your subscription includes access to Copilot and that your license is recognized correctly on this device. After the license update finishes and any sign-in process is complete, stay on the same account screen. The next piece we need to check is your update channel. Copilot availability depends heavily on which update channel your Office apps are using because some channels receive new features earlier than others. On the account page, look for the section that talks about Office updates or your update channel. It should mention something like current channel, monthly enterprise channel, or semi-annual enterprise channel. What you want to confirm here is that you are on either the current channel or the monthly enterprise channel. These channels typically receive new features such as Copilot earlier and more consistently. If you see that your device is on the semi-annual channel, that's likely the reason Copilot is not appearing. Copilot is generally not supported on the semi-annual channel as that channel focuses on stability and receives feature updates less frequently. In that case, you or your IT administrator will need to move you to a supported channel like current channel or monthly enterprise channel for Copilot to become available. Once your license is updated and your update channel is confirmed as either current channel or monthly enterprise channel, give Word a moment and, if needed, close and reopen the app. After reopening, Copilot should begin to appear in the ribbon or as an option within Word, depending on your organization's rollout and configuration. That's all you need to check inside Word. Open the app, update your license from the account menu,